How to use Avvo business formation legal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Avvo's business formation services make it easier to start an LLC, corporation, or partnership, but beginners often make mistakes that can create legal and financial problems down the line. The first mistake is choosing the wrong business structure. Yes, corporations and partnerships all have different tax, liability, and operational implications. Take time to evaluate your needs or consult an attorney before selecting a structure. Another common error is incomplete or inaccurate information on formation documents. Incorrect addresses, names, or missing signatures can delay approval or make the filing invalid. Double-check every detail before submitting. Many users overlook state-specific requirements. Each state has unique filing rules, fees, and deadlines. Ensure your documents comply with local laws to avoid rejection or fines. Neglecting operating agreements or bylaws is another pitfall. While some states don't require these, having them protects your business and clarifies roles, responsibilities, and ownership percentages. Finally, some assume forming a business through Avvo automatically handles compliance. Ongoing requirements like annual reports, taxes, and licenses are your responsibility. Failing to meet these can jeopardize your business. To use Avvo business formation legal properly, choose the right structure, complete all documents accurately, comply with state rules, draft operating agreements or bylaws, and manage ongoing compliance. Avoid these mistakes and you start your business on solid legal footing.